In Civil Designer 8.5, we added the ability to use standard kerbs as linear road furniture items, and you could then apply these along a terrain string to have a curb then positioned along your terrain string. In Civil Designer version 9, we have automated this process, and the adding of kerbs is now a function in the strings menu. So string creation and apply curb. We've also given you the option to apply the curb over the full range of that string, or you could just do a partial range, just meaning for a portion of that terrain string's length. Okay, so I'm going to try the partial range. You would need to read the prompts as per usual, select the string, indicate on which side of the master you would like the child to be created. So I'm going to go to the inside, and then your start vertex for the partial range and my end vertex. Just to verify the inner closed string that you selected the right section to work on, and then you can at this stage now and go select your curb. So if you haven't had your curb file loaded, you'd go load a group. So I'm just going to use that barrier curb and channel. Okay, so two options as far as the insertion position goes. The carriageway side, the string begins on the curb carriageway side and goes towards the sidewalk side. And then alternatively, you've got a sidewalk option where the curb gets positioned on the sidewalk side and goes inward towards the carriageway side. So we're going to use this one in this case. Okay, then option, you can subtract the curb as well, meaning that you can, when you're looking at that cross section or the quick profile viewer, we would go underneath the curb as we do with the road cross section. So subtract curb just means instead of going over the top of the curb profile in the cross section, we go underneath the curb profile. Okay, and then just refreshing my render view. Okay, so that barrier curb and channel has been applied from this terrain string from the sidewalk side inward towards the carriageway side. If you run the normal string editing and volume calculation for your string platform, we would also then report the curb quantities